jasmine rice in an exotic way. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Nosh. Welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you how you can cook jasmine rice in an exotic way. Let's first measure out our rice. We are going to need 2 cups. Second step, wash your rice. Use your hands and you will see your mixture will become cloudy. Next step, rinse your rice. Place your rice in a pot. And measure out the correct amount of water. So we are going to use for 2 cups of rice, 2¼ cups of water. 1 teaspoon of salt for the taste. So this would be your basic rice, but we're gonna make it exotic now. For this we're gonna use some lemongrass, freshly picked out of my garden. We're only going to use this part, from the root to here. You can't really smell it, but the moment you cut it, the fragrance is just amazing. This, what looks so pretty, we're not gonna use. You don't want to cut it because otherwise the pieces will end up in the rice. So we are going to use a mallet and we are hammering it. There we go. We're going to use the flat side. Ladies, when you're frustrated with your hubby, that's what you can do. Oh, it is smelling so good. Let's put this into our rice. Just stick it right underneath the rice, so that it can't come to the top when you are cooking it. Last not least, close the lid, and now we are going to bring it to the boil while the lid is on, and then let it cook once it's boiling for 17 minutes on a very low heat. Once your pot is boiling, you switch it off, you move it to a smaller flame. Switch it back on, and we are almost moving it off the heat because gas is just way too high. And we press the timer on 17 minutes. So while this is cooking, half of the time we leave it like this, and then we turn the pot so it cooks evenly on both sides. Our rice has cooked, and I have left it for 2-3 minutes, so it's always important. Leave the lid, leave it on, so the evaporation can run down the sides so that your rice will not stick at the bottom. So let's see. It smells incredible from the lemongrass. So we're gonna, take out the lemongrass, and you can see our rice is nice and fluffy. Nothing burned. Everything perfectly cooked, and these little pieces we take out. So this rice you can serve to anything of what you like. We're gonna do another video where we're going to use this rice, pineapple fried rice. Subscribe now to be notified of that video. It's finished. And it smells incredible. Perfect cooked rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.